Today we are looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado Crew Cab in black. This truck is powered by a 2.7 liter Turbomax engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we jump on into the interior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these jet black leather seats. These seats contain heating in the front row. This jet black theme is followed throughout the entire vehicle, all the way to your steering wheel, which holds your controls for cruise control, a heated steering wheel option, and more. Behind the steering wheel to the left, you'll find your controls for windshield wipers and high beams. As we jump on into the interior, behind the steering wheel is your digital gauge cluster. In the center of the dash, you'll find your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Google Maps and Google Assistant. Below this, you'll find your climate control settings, as well as your settings for heated seats in the front row. Behind the gear shifter, you'll find 2 USB charging ports and a wireless charging pad. On the driver's left-hand side, you'll find power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors, as well as your trailer brake settings down below. As we take a look at the exterior, you'll notice Trail Boss branding, these gloss black aluminum wheels, and tinted rear windows. As we head towards the cargo bed, you'll find assist steps in the rear bumper, allowing for easy access. We can pull this lever to lower our power-assisted tailgate, showcasing the cargo area. This tailgate is also equipped with spray-on liner. As we jump into the rear passenger cabin, we have one of our back seats raised up for extra cargo room. These back seats are split in a 60-40 bench fashion, which means both sides can be raised, extending your storage area. In the center, your rear passengers are also provided with cup holders in the back of the center console. And that is the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss in black, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'll be happy to help.